Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel which is Technical Sharmaji. So guys, this video is going to be the more beneficial for you because this is a very nice and finest product, and if you are blogger, YouTuber and traveler, so guys this video is definitely very beneficial for you. Beneficial because I had ordered a camera from Flipkart. Now I got this camera which is DJI Osmo Pocket 2 action camera, and I hope you have heard about this camera before. And if you haven't heard about this camera, then don't worry, because now I'm just unboxing this box, and after then we will discuss about each and every product one by one. Guys, I would like to tell you that this camera have a lot of features which will make your experience so much better. Friends, as I told you that I had purchased this product from Flipkart, so if you want to buy this item at the end of video, then I will provide you the link of this product in the description box. Then you will be able to buy this product via that link. So guys, here we had already opened this Flipkart packet, and now I will show you the invoice paper in which you will see the total amount this product. Now you can see that 30,999 rupees is the total amount of this camera, which is DJI Osmo Pocket 2 camera. So guys, it is really enough and under budget if you want to do vlogging, traveling, shoot and cinematic shots, etc. Now here this is the main product, main box, which is DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Friends, I would like to tell you that I'm so excited to open it. But before opening, I would like to show you all the printed things here, which is related to DJI Osmo Pocket 2. All the features already had displayed on the back of this packet. So guys, here you can see that manufacturer, color, model number, and what is item inside, MRP, price, customer care details, all things are given there. So you can view that after purchasing this. I will discuss you all the things after opening it. So guys, I don't think that we have to take more time to open it, so let's go. So guys, here finally unboxing of this product has been completed, and you can see that product inside this box. So we will discuss about each things one by one after opening it. So here first of all we will pick this packet, and we will see that it is really precise, and you can see that how all the products are adjusted in a single small box. And guys, here you can look that this product is really awesome. It is our main camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So we will put it down. Look into the box. Some documents are given there. I think 2 or 3 documents are given here. So first of all, their box should be separated, right? And now here you can see that some documents, some instructions are given there in these documents. You can see that first things, and here second document, which is I think instructions, and all the necessary things are given in these documents about camera. Guys, if you are first time user, then you have to definitely read this, because it is a quick guide, and it will definitely help you to how to use this product. And you can see that here you have gotten a QR code, which is really useful to download the DJI Memo app, which is helpful to activate your device. And also here you get this sticker from DJI, and here written this DJI branding. So you can paste this at anywhere where you want to use it. So we will put it down, and now we will pick this box, and we will check inside it what are the items given. And we already had opened it from one side, so let's see what things are. So we will discuss about later. Firstly we will put it down, and take out all the items from this box outside. So here you can see that many things are given there in a small box. So from the other side we will try to pick out all the items. In this box you can see that silica is also given, silica gel, another things which is inside it, and in a precise box so many things are here inside it, congestively adjusted. Here if you can see that, then inside a cable is also there, and I am trying to take it out from this box, and finally we have done it, and you can see that it is a charger. And in this box if you will talk about, then I don't think so that anything else is inside it, because we have collected all the things from this box, and I don't think that inside it anything else remains. So we will side it, and you can look that each and everything is in front of you, and now we will talk about each one by one. First of all we will talk about this strap, then it is really a very useful things, and we will not forget to discuss it about, because it is really a spiritual and you can hold the camera via this. And here a cable is also given to you, and I would like to say you that it is a C type of charging cable for DJI Osmo Pocket 2 camera. In other hand, if we will talk about the height and length of this cable, then let's look what is the height of this cable. Here you can see that the height and length of this cable is really enough. As usual you given to you here, you can see that the originality of this cable, and it is a C type charging cable, as I already had told you. Then it is a really awesome, and it is fast charging cable for your camera. Now it is enough information about this cable. Let's move to another things. So we will side it one by one from other, and new things we will discuss about. So let's open it. First of all I would like to tell you that here with this camera you also have got the three adapters, and here first of all you will see that here adapter for iPhone. You will attach this adapters with this camera, and also you can connect your iPhone and Android iOS with using these adapters, so you can use all the functionalities of this camera in your mobile. And also here you can see that iOS for Android you can use this adapter. And the third one adapter is given to you, which is joystick. As a lever it will work, and if you want to move your camera's head from left, right, up and down, then it is really a beneficial to you, because here you can see that left side you will found that here given to you joystick. You can easily move it from upside, downside, left, right. It is really a fluctual to working. And also right side of button used to switch the mode. So guys, I got these three types of adapters with this camera, and if we will talk about these things what is that, then I will tell you that it is a mount which is really helpful to stand your camera, and it is also protect your charging ports. So it is given to you with this camera. Friends, we will further discuss about this mount after opening the camera. Main camera we will open right now. So here your all excitements are going to be end, because I have this DJI Osmo Pocket 2 camera. You can see that it really a portable, precise, and easy to caught in hand. It is really a best camera. I think it will be a best camera for you if you will buy this. And finally you can see that here this camera, and also this camera is sheltered by this powerful cover. I think it is a really strong cover. You can see that here branding and DJI written here, and it's really peaking very pretty. And you can see that it's all over things are really a very nice. Really I appreciate it. Firstly guys, let's bring the camera from this cover to see the inside portion of this cover. It is a really awesome. You can see that there in inside structure is really a very pretty. and it is also a very powerful, and you can see that I am just pressing it, but it is really so tighty, and this cover has ability to manage the pressure. If any unacceptably pressures happen, then it is really helpful to manage by this cover, and your camera will be safe. So finally guys, we have our DJI Osmo Pocket 2 action camera, and its structure and its color quality and everything here is really a very nice. You can see that the power button given to you, and right side if you want to open it, and strap. Here you can see that in your camera you have gotten a section of strap, so you have to just bring your strap and push it here. I will show you how to set this strap in this camera. So finally here our strap of this camera has been fixed. You can see that. So guys, just like this all the things are here easy. Let's bring out this sponge from this camera, because it is just a safety purpose for your it will not get damaged after delivery time. So we have to see that our camera, and here it is the gimbal given to you in this camera, which is really awesome. Friends, if you will go to shoot any cinematic shots, then you will realize that how much user friendly this camera and smoothness of this gimbal is really awesome, and it will help you to take a cinematic wide area shots easily and perfectively. Guys, very soon we will open this camera. Before opening this camera, we will see that all the things which is already given in this camera. We will just take out these plastics from this camera, and visibility will be clear after opening this camera. So here you can see that two types of button already given to you. First one is your video recording and photo capturing, and other one is used to switch mode. And here you can see that indicators are also here given. If your battery is discharged and charging mode, then it will be blink. So guys, it is the main portion of this camera. You can see that here you can adjust your all the adapters given to you. Three types of adapters I already had show you and told you that you can use your all adapters here to connect your Android, iOS and iPhones. And also here joysticks given to you. I'll show you how to use your joystick here. You can see that guys, here joystick you must have to little press in this to adjust your joysticks. After entering joysticks, you see that it will help you to switch your camera's direction. So finally guys, I'm just going to open this camera. You can see that very pretty looks and it's functioning. Here's too much languages are given to you. Firstly, I'm just select English language. Now here you can see that two instruction given to you that how to activate your DJI Pocket, because here your pocket camera is not activated, and here 5 times of remaining skips given to you. You have to activate within 5 times of attempt. First of all, you have to connect your adapters after removing these joysticks, and after connecting your adapter you have to connect your smartphone with this connector, and you will see that you have to download DJI Memo. After downloading DJI Memo app, it will automatically activating your device. You have to just enter your email ID, some information about yourself, then it will definitely activated within 5 time of skips. So you have to just connect these adapters in this, like I am connecting here. It is a iOS Android C type connector. You have to push it into your mobile, just like this. You can see that you have to put into your mobile, and if you have iPhone, then you have to use these adapters. Friends, if you will face any issue, any problem during activating this device, then you can comment me. I will reply you very soon as I can. And friends, let's talk about here mount. So you have to just little bit push in from the down, and you will find that it will divide from this camera. You can see that here is given to you charging port. I had already told you that this is C type of charging port, so you can charge your camera anytime anywhere with that cable. So guys, here is mount which is given with this box. So guys, you have to push it little bit and it will be adjusted with your camera. So guys, here you can see that everything is here all setted, and here you can also see that you have to given here memory card port. You can use 256 GB of memory card. 256 is expandable capacity of this DJI Osmo Pocket 2 camera, so you can use that memory card and you can shoot unlimited shots. The original MRP price of this camera is 34,999, but I bought it only in 30,999 rupees. You can bought it from online website, that is Flipkart, Amazon. I will provide you a link of this product in description. You can go there and purchase this product as you want. So guys, at last we will revise all the things we have discussed about this product. So we have got the documents, some stickers, one charging cable, C type charging cable, and other hand we will see that three types of adapters here given to you, so you can use it in your camera. And mount is given to you, silica gel is also is there with product, and one cover is given to you, which is really a very beneficial and I like that so much. And one strap is also given to you with camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 2 camera, which is really awesome. And I just want to say that I'm really appreciated with this camera and I like to vlog, so I will definitely use this for my next channel vlog. So guys, it is overall very good, very nice. You have to purchase it. I forgot to tell you about camera. So DJI Osmo Pocket 2 camera comes with 16 megapixels. So guys, I hope so you like this video. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.